Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing great. In this video we're going to talk about Pocketfi. A lot of people are asking me they have seen their token burned. So if you want to unburn your token, here is the process. I'm going to show you step by step how to unburn your Pocketfi tokens. All right, so please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'll keep updating you with information like this. All right, and I'm going to drop the link to my WhatsApp/Telegram channels if you want to join my community. All right, that is where I'll be updating you with information that doesn't require videos. All right, so if you can remember, I have made a video before the token burn start. I have made a video on what we read from them, what they said about the token burn, what they said about proof of humanity. They said it is not compulsory, but you might end up getting your tokens burned. It is indirectly compulsory. All right, so as you can see here, they said the mining era completed, switch mining has officially stopped. The era of switch mining just become history. Every claim now part of the Pocketfi legend. What now? Staking mechanism levels up. Reward flows straight to your mind balance. Proof of humanity stays open until April 12. After that, your chance to confirm your account is gone forever. Today, we are displaying tokens marked for burn visible in Pocketfi for users who haven't passed proof of humanity. The final total supply of which will be revealed on April 14, right after proof of humanity officially ends. So what they are trying to say here, and here is one question. Let's see the answer of it. Here the questions that people ask: what happens if I miss proof of humanity? Proof of humanity isn't obligatory, but skipping verification can lead directly to a switch tokens being burned. You see, they repeat what I just mentioned. Will staking continue after mining stops? Yes, staking continues. Rewards automatically flow into your mind balance, but heads up, a condition will change soon. So I'm going to show you exactly. We're going to open the app. I'm going to show you what to do right now. You still have how many days? It is going to stop on 12th of this month, April 12th. Proof of humanity. If you not do it before 12th of this month, you are going to lose all your switch tokens. All right, so now we're going to open the app. This is the home page. As you can see, they say account was not verified and your switch was burned, and your switch was burned. All right, so they said if you want to submit an appeal, complete the proof of humanity process by April 12th. So if you want to get your tokens if you want to appeal, make sure you do it before April 12th. So what you are going to do, you just press complete, then you can pay via verify via Pocketfi or verify via TON Connect. All right, so if you have something in your Pocketfi wallet, you can do with the Pocketfi wallet, and if you have TON, you can just go ahead and press do with TON. TON is here is 0.25. I need to pay 0.25 for this account, so you can just go ahead and do it. When you touch verify, you can verify and pay 0.25 TON, which is equal to $1. As easy as that. All right, so this is very easy, and if you really do find this video helpful, you can don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'll keep updating with informations like this. All right, thank you for watching. Love.